So hey guys, right now I'm going to tell you about what I did to find the mean, the median, and the mode. So I have here my example. The grades in statistics of 11 students are 77, 77, 89, 88, 85, 92, 81, 77, 83, 88, and 88. For the mean is that the first thing that I did is that I add all the 11 grades of the 11 students, and then I divide it by 11 since the example is 11 students. So if you add all the 11 grade, you'll have 925, and by dividing it by 11, you'll get 84.1. And now the average grade in statistics of 11 students is 84.1. So for the median is what I did is that I arranged the grades from lowest to highest, but also you can arrange the grades from highest to lowest. It depends on you. Okay, so I arrange them, then find the middle score. So since I have 11, my middle score is 6. So I count from 1 to 6 and from left to right. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now my median here is 85. So for the mode, what I did is that the statement of the mode says that a number or a numbers that appears the most, or a number that is repeated. So obviously we have here a repeated 77 and also a 88. So that is our mode. So since we have two modes, it is a bimodal. Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you on how to get the mode in a group data. So use the formula at the bottom left. But before using it, first we need to find the model class. The model class is the class with the highest frequency. So the highest frequency there is 9. That is why 35 to 44 is our model class. Number 2, finding the lower boundary of the model class. So in the model class, we have lower limit 35 and a higher limit 44. So to find the lower boundary of the model class, lower limit minus 0.5 is equals to 34.5. So that is your lower boundary of the model class. Number 3, finding d sub 1. To get the d sub 1, highest frequency minus the frequency of the next lower class. So 9 minus 2 is equals to 7. The d sub 1 you have now is 7. D sub 2. In getting the d sub 2, the highest frequency minus the frequency of the next upper limit. So 9 minus 5 is equals to 4. And now you have 4 as your d sub 2. And in finding the class width, or I, is equals to the difference of the two consecutive lower limit, which is the 25 minus 15. So your class width now is 10. Now we can use the formula for the mode. So after finding all the missing pieces for our formula, now we can substitute them to our formula like what I did. So the first thing that I did is that after substituting is I add the 7 plus 4 at the inner bracket. So 7 plus 4 is equals to 11. And after that, I multiply our class width to the 7, which is in the inner bracket, to become 70. And after multiplying it, I divide it by 11 to get the 6.36. And after getting the 6.36, I add it to 34.5, which is our lower boundary of the modal class. And now, our mode is 40.86. So hey guys, right now I'm going to show you what I did to get the mean for the group data. So the first thing that I did is that I get the class width and the total of the frequencies, and then after getting those two, I solved for the class marks. So class marks is a midpoint of a class. So what I did to find the class mark is just add the lower limit and the upper limit of the class and then divide it by 2. So 31 plus 35 is equals, divided by 2 is equals to 33. And then 26 plus 30 divided by 2 is equals to 28, and so on. And then after that, I solved for the frequency times the class mark. So multiply the frequency times the class mark. So 5 times 33 is equals to 165. 9 times 28 is equals to 252, and so on. And after that, I add all the product of frequency and the class mark. And then after adding all the product of the frequency and the class mark, I divide it by 20 since we have the total of 20 frequency here. So 535 divided by 20 is equals to 26.75. So that is our mean answer. So thank you, and I hope you've learned something. Peace out.